Hello, I'm David and this is Sharon and we are from the Rowan team.
And we wanted to show you one of our beautiful new yarns for autumn winter.
So it's a very special yarn. It's a pure cashmere.
Yeah, it is.
It's a pure cashmere and it comes from Todd & Duncan in Scotland.
Yep. And well, it's just a dream, isn't it? We've been looking for a cashmere for a very long time, and we wanted something that was, when you knitted it, you had that really beautiful, soft, real cashmere look.
Real cashmere feel and look.
Yeah.
So it comes from Todd & Duncan, as I said, and they are premium cashmere producers. It's washed in the water from the loch, so it's loch washed cashmere, which is not easy to say.
That's not easy to say.
And it comes in 12 shades in total. We've got 8 here, but you can see that we've done a neutral palette with the normal greys and that you would expect in a cashmere, but we've added.
And then we've got some pops haven't we? And there's a lovely sort of burnt orange in here as well. So
it's really beautiful to knit with, isn't it?
It is absolutely gorgeous. On the needles, it just glides off the needles, and it's very cool to touch. So when you're knitting with it, it's sort of like, when I first had it, I thought almost, is it damp? But it wasn't.
Yeah,
it's just got that really cool touch,
yeah.
which is what true cashmere really should do. It should feel cool to wear, but actually keep you warm.
Yeah, yeah.
So
and as soft as cashmere is, it actually is transferring to this final hank. We're really pleased with the way it's worked out for us in the final yarn.
And Todd & Duncan normally sort of just provide cashmere to the fashion world, really, isn't it? So
some premium fashion brands.
So we were really lucky for them to agree to sort of do a hand knit version.
They're not going to be doing it for anybody else. It's exclusively for us at Rowan.
Yeah. So obviously it's a little bit of a pricey investment, as we know, for that sort of pure cashmere. So we've done lots of different size projects for you. So we've got accessories, we've got snoods, mittens, gloves, hats. So perfect sort of Christmas gifts.
Yep. And you can see we're holding up a couple of, this is a snood Sharon's got and I've got a cardigan, but you can see it takes the stitch really well. Just the way that the cashmere carries the stitch definition through is really prominent on these garments.
What was really amazing with it was when you take it off the needle, it holds its shape, so it's quite sort of sturdy when it comes off the needle. Needs a steam to sort of get that sort of relaxed feel, but what it tells you is that that shape is not going to move.
No,
so you've got it for life, you know. So it's a good investment piece.
Yeah, it's going to wash and wear with you as well.
Yeah.
You can see that this is just ordinary knitting, and you can see in here there's a bit more marl going on, and that's obviously what happens when you use pure natural fibre that we do, like we do at Rowan.
And we've kept the sort of collection sort of contemporary, classic, sort of like quite simple. And then we've got a second collection coming along later in the season.
Yeah, just so we've got more design coming through, and you know that. So
we hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, hope you like it. Happy knitting.
Bye.